Hi Bobcats. Now it's time to practice converting metric units. So we're going to continue working the example problems that are in your notes packet. Okay, we've already worked some of these problems. We worked B and E, I do believe. So you need to go ahead and work A, C, D, and F. Go ahead and pause the video, work these 4 problems. Once you have your answers, come back and check to see how you did. Okay, problem A, we are converting meters to kilometers. Did you get 8/10 kilometers? 800 meters equals 8/10 kilometers. If you did, great job. Let's take a look at how we're to work this. All right, your unit rate is going to be 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. And our problem, we're given 800 meters, so this goes on the bottom underneath the meters. And we're looking for how many kilometers. You're going to go from the known to the unknown. We're going from the right to the left, so we're getting smaller. We need to divide by 1,000. So 800 divided by 1,000, there's 3 zeros, so we move that decimal point 3 places to the left, and we get our 8/10. Let's take a look at problem C. Did you get 624 milliliters? Hopefully you did. Let's take a look at the work. Our unit rate is 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. What are we given in our problem? We're given the liters. So we're going from the left to the right, from the known to the unknown. We're going from 1 to 1,000. Scale factor is to multiply by 1,000. So we're just going to slide the decimal point. We're moving to the right, so we slide the decimal point 3 places to the right because there are 3 zeros in 1,000, and we get the 624. Problem D. Did you get 12 centimeters is equal to 120 millimeters? Good job if you did. Okay, so here's your proportion. The unit is 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. We go from the known to the unknown. We know there's 120 millimeters. We want to know how many centimeters. We're going from right to left, so we have to divide. 1 0, you move the decimal point 1 place, and that's how you get your 10. And letter F. Did you get 5 thousandths? If you did, very nice job. Let's go ahead and take a look at the work. The unit rate, 1 kilogram, is equal to 1 million milligrams. So this one's a little bit different. We're going from kilograms to milligrams. Take a look, here's our kilograms. And we want to go down here to milligrams. So there's a step. To get rid of the step, we have to multiply 1,000 to 1,000, or 1,000 times 1,000, and that's where the million comes in. Okay, so we're just going to move that decimal point. We're going smaller, so we move it to the left. How many zeros are there? There are 6. So we had to move it 6 places, and we ended up having to put in 2 zeros. You can drop off when you write your answer. You don't need the zeros that are at the right. You can drop those off. Okay, if you have questions on those, please talk with your teacher, because now it's time to do some word problems. We have 3 word problems. We're going to start with letter G. It is a 20-kilometer drive for Abigail to ride the bus to the Drake concert. How many meters is this? Pause the video, solve, come back and check. Okay, what are we doing here? We're going from kilometers to meters. So that's going to be length, kilometers to meters. Did you get for your answer 20,000 meters? If you did, awesome job. Move on to the next problem. If not, go ahead and pause the video, take a look at the work, and see if you can find your mistake. If you need help, please ask your teacher. Okay, problem H. How many grams are in a 40-kilogram bag of potatoes? Pause the video and solve. When you have your answer, come back and check. Did you get 40,000 grams? If you did, awesome. If not, take a look at your work. Pause the video, see if you can find your mistake. If not, ask your teacher. And our last problem. King Henry's bucket holds 4,000 milliliters of water. How many liters are in the bucket if it's half full? Be very careful because it does not asking if it's full, it's asking if it's half full. Pause the video, solve, come back and check your answer. Okay, let's see what King Henry got. He got 2 liters. 2 liters. If you got the correct answer, very nice job. You're doing good. I think you can do these conversions on your own. You're ready for your homework. If you didn't get 2 liters, go ahead and take a look at the work here. Pause the video, see if you can find your mistake. If not, talk to your teacher.